Welcome to our kitchen, where we'll be preparing a delicious dish of baked ziti and sausage. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with this hearty and flavorful recipe. To start, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the ziti pasta and cook until al dente, following the package instructions. Drain the pasta and set it aside. In a large skillet, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add the sausage, removed from its casing, and cook until browned and cooked through. Break up the sausage into smaller pieces as it cooks. Once the sausage is cooked, add some diced onions and minced garlic to the skillet. Sauté until the onions are translucent and the garlic is fragrant. Now it's time to add some flavor to our dish. Pour in a jar of your favorite marinara sauce and stir well to combine. In a separate bowl, whisk together some ricotta cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, and a beaten egg. This mixture will add a creamy and cheesy element to our baked ziti. In a large baking dish, spread a thin layer of the marinara sauce mixture on the bottom. Add a layer of the cooked ziti pasta, followed by a layer of the sausage and onion mixture. Dollop spoonfuls of the ricotta cheese mixture on top. Repeat these layers until all the ingredients are used, finishing with a layer of marinara sauce on top. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and bake in the preheated oven for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the foil and sprinkle some shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Return the dish to the oven and bake for an additional 10-15 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Once the baked ziti and sausage is golden and bubbling, remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. Garnish with some fresh basil leaves and grated Parmesan cheese if desired. Now it's time to dig in and enjoy this comforting and satisfying meal of baked ziti and sausage. Bon appetit!